everyone, welcome to Turnbull's. It's Thursday, last Thursday of the month. It's time for our flash sale, but what have we got for you this month? Well, Alex and the Butchery Team here at Turnbull's have lined up something really special. Alex, we've got chuck rolls this month. Chuck rolls, low and slow cooking. So we've got chuck rolls. Normally they retail at $19.95, but for one day only, you can pick them up for just $14.95. You'll save £5 on the price of this amazing piece of meat. Alex, tell us a little bit about the chuck roll. We've got it in four different flavours. 1 kilo joint. What are the flavours?
We've got black garlic, Jamaican jerk, we've got Smokey BBQ, and then we've got nice just plain one if you want to just do it yourself at home.
Excellent. You've seen on the screen there the joints that come. You can have it plain, you can have it with a marinade of your choice. But the secret with this is all in the cooking. Tell us how we cook it.
This is done on the barbecue. This is low and slow. This is about four hours on the barbecue.
Nice low temperature.
Low temperature, yeah.
4 hours. Just do it low and slow.
Yeah, leave it. We can do it longer than that as well.
If you haven't got a barbecue or you don't want to heat the barbecue,
just do it in the oven. Yeah. Just
exactly the same temperature.
Yeah, temperature low.
150.
Start off high, just to sear it. Turn it down a bit. Leave it for about 4 hours. Get some stock in there. And then that's it. Just when it's nice and tender, you just.
Once it's cooked, you can see Alex in action here. How he's prepared this beautiful meat here. Just pulling the meat apart.
If your meat's not doing that, you've got to put it back in, recover it. But it's
a little bit of stock. Little bit of stock in the bottom. Little bit of stock in the bottom.
Yeah, and then
added to that some of
this. This one's got the Mississippi sauce in there, and then I've made up these sandwiches. Yeah.
We can see this is what you can do.
This is
the perfect summer dish, summer eating at its best. Tell us what you've done.
Yeah, this is where stotties are getting stored. We've got some caramelised onion getting here, and then some barbecue meat dust.
This is my favourite, the Mississippi barbecue sauce. Make sure you pick.
Oh, this one's better. This one's my favourite.
Alex likes the barbecue more. Everybody, there you go. But as they say, the proof is in the pudding. Alex,
there you go, boss.
Let's see how we get on. Oh, delicious. One day only. See you soon.